This question is from the 2024 higher level DCG exam paper and it's question A1. The image below shows a lotto play stand. The drawing on the right shows the plan and partially completed perspective view of a similar stand. The picture plane passes through corner A on the base of the stand. Okay, part A, complete the perspective drawing of the stand, and part B, determine and indicate the overall height of the stand. Okay, so that point, I presume, I'm going to bring it down to S, but I presume they have it in the finished location. Oh no, it's a little bit longer than that. Oh, that's for the outside of the stand, okay. So A goes to there, I'm going to join that back to S. Okay, so that's a heavy line there. They've already got that drawn in for us. Now, stand here at the top. So that's one point. It's a little bit confusing here. That point there, I can start joining these over to VP2. And that point there. Okay, so that one would be the back, which is that point. Okay, so that's the heavy line there on the back. And that's going to go the whole way down to that one. That's going to give me a heavy line there too. So that's that top rectangular part finished there. Next up is going to slope down then to that line. So that gives me that point. So I can draw that in. That's that slope, and that would be a heavy line there too. Then we're going to go out for the full canopy there with the triangle. So it goes out the whole way to here. Yeah, so once you have the triangle finished, then we can bring up the base. So we know it goes the whole way out to that point. Now, where does it slope to? Is that the same level? Canopy would have to be level as the work surface. So it's going to go from that corner to VP1 and extend, and that corner to VP1 and extend. So that brings me the whole way out to there, which is the very edge corner. That's that one. And then VP2 to there. We'll get that front face. And then there back to the corner. So that's the top of that. Then it slopes back into, it'll be the inner one, so it'll be this one here. It'll be on the same line down, so join that to S. And drop that straight down. That gives me that point. So then I can join that down to there. And that would be a heavy line up to there then. Okay, join that back to VP2, gives me that edge. That's a continued line there up on the same angle, so that'd be heavy. And that'd be heavy into there. Okay, I think that's the full stand. It's quite a confusing shape there because it's hard to figure out the plan view. That's part A finished. Part B, determine and indicate the overall height of the stand. So to get the height, we need to extend it to the ground line. So the vertical line from the ground line is there, that purple line. So if I extend the top until it meets that purple line, which brings me to that point, there to there now is the full height. So best way to label it, I'll probably just put an arrow from there to there. Draw it in as a heavy line and just write height on it. And probably best to measure it, put in a measurement. It's working out at 74 there. 74 millimeters an hour, whatever scale they've drawn that in, it can be figured out from there. But if you write 74, you'll get full marks. Okay, that's that full question finished.